rock that I'm gonna step on. Oh, I literally almost slipped. I didn't know I'd be. It's a great walk. Whoa, beautiful. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Oh, so beautiful. And that is Jaden in his natural habitat. Oh, it's a slide. It's a not a man-made slide. A nature-made slide. Whee! That was really disappointing. Sand. Wait. Look at the sand, bro. Satisfying. Okay, so, oh, look how beautiful this is, guys. I wonder if you guys can use it.
Oh my gosh.
I just tripped on something.
Mom, there's like a little cave spot.
What?
Not a bone. This is a natural bone.
Seriously?
On animals. Yeah.
Want to see?
It's a bone.
Gotta get this on my. Or is it a rock?
It's a bone.
How do you know?
Mom, we found a bone.
Jaden thinks it's a bone anyway.
I literally found a bone over there.
Oh, are you serious? Yes, look. Oh, let's take it home. What kind of bone do you think it is?
Probably like...
Bush.
Look up on the internet. Is it really?
Yes, it is.
Say hi to the camera, JJ.
Yeah, but look at
I'm putting this on YouTube.
disintegrate, Jaden. Is it really?
Really old bone.
Look.
Are you sure?
Wait, go to Google Lens. Go to Google Lens.
It's probably gonna say it's just like some sort of foam piece, I guess. Let's go over here more. Real cool. I don't really record much when I go up into the nature. Okay. I'm scared I'm gonna get bit by something. Huh. I'm not really focusing on the lens because, okay, I need to focus on where I put my steps, so I'm not really focusing on where I'm recording. But
Mom,
I'm up here.
no, it's not. We did it on a... And it said it was a shoe. It said it was a shoe.
It said it was a shoe. Saya, move.
Maybe it is part of shoe.
Move. Get your phone down. Saya.
Look at that. So, I'm right here next to these really pretty colored rocks, red rocks. But now I'm gonna get down because Jane thinks it's too scary, and I think it's too scary. I mean, not too scary, just pretty. It's pretty scary.
Just next time we have to have better tools and precautions with
But
this.
I mean, I did climb a lot, and I'm really good at it. But right here is so pretty that it's really pretty.
I don't know how to get down, actually.
Saya will help you. I might have to turn this off to help him down.
Okay.
Saya, Mom, put it right there somewhere. Put it down.
I am.
Saya's gonna...
Make sure to never litter. And grab your water bottles. Whoa. Whew. Scary.
Water over there too.
Something in your guys.
If there's a rabbit, I have to get it on video.
Oh, it's your little bunny.
Really?
I don't know. I'm saying. You remember last time we went?
We saw a bunny. Oh, I sure hope it's a bunny. Oh. Well, then don't get too close. Just,
I think it's trying to parent or something. I hear something now.
What would it be? A bobcat? Rookie. It's the rock again.
You guys want to go over here?
Oh, look, right there.
Go there, or do you want to go up
That's
here?
pretty. Let's wait. Didn't we already go over here?
Not much over here.
Okay, then let's go over here.
I mean, there's not. It's pretty. It's like a pipe.
It's so pretty.
Oh, remember this. Is this the part where
Beautiful sand. Maybe someday when we get like ropes and stuff, we could climb this.
Oh,
But
that's how cool that arch looks.
we have to put safety first, you know? Like if we got ropes and stuff, we could climb that arch because me and Jane are really good at climbing, as you could see. See, because you always have to put safety first. I know everybody says it, and it's cliche to say, but you have to put safety first. See, look, like those people are rock climbing with ropes. That's pretty cool. That's really cool, actually. Yeah, when we get ropes, we should do that. Anyway, but these rocks are pretty pretty. Okay, let's go this way. Wait. Ooh, let's see. Right over here. Oh, let's see. I have to look at where I'm going. Oh, people keep on riding on the rocks. That is so bad. I hate people. Sorry, I'm not very much of a people person. Woo! Bug. Pretty. Oh, I really want to climb up there. Oh, that looks like a good way. Whoa! Oh, I thought I was gonna jump off the cliff there. Yeah, you hate wasps. Okay. Okay, maybe there's something over here. Oh my gosh. I accidentally kicked dirt up into my shoe and that really scared me. Okay, I'm not really gonna look where I'm recording, I'm gonna look where I'm stepping. But, oh, look right here, we can climb up over here. Well, I can't, not really we. I don't know why when YouTubers say they're gonna do stuff, they say we. Because it's like, contact with you guys. Look at that arch right there. That's beautiful. I'm gonna take a whoa. Almost slipped. Okay. This place is beautiful. It's pretty dark over here. That's good. Oh, I want to take a picture of that. Get enough YouTube content from this. Oh, look over here. Oh, it's really pretty. Gotta climb.
Fire.
Oh.
I don't feel comfortable you doing that. Keep going again.
Oh, Mom. Look at the water. Oh, Jane said, ooh, guys. Oh. This is pretty. Oh, wow. Pretty. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get a picture of
See like that, yeah. Come on, so you can do it. Come on, man. Stop going.
yeah, Scoopy. It's a Scoopy.
Sit down in it. Yeah, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I found. I'm gonna put it in my pocket so we can save it. Jaden's got this. Sorry I wasn't videotaping you climb all the way, but Nice.
Hey, no, get me.
It's okay, Jaden.
On your bum.
It's okay, JJ. I sorry I didn't get you climbing all the way up, but it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. You got this. We're all right here. So if you
Oh.
nice, you got okay. I'm right here. Do you want me to stop filming so I can help you more?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get footage of Jaden climbing up here because this is Bubba and Bean, and it doesn't just include Bean, it's because it's Bubba. And look at that, Jaden. It's beautiful, isn't JJ?
Oh, the river.
Yeah, look at the river.
That's what I'm saying. Let's go do it.
Okay, look at that river right there. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, I better
This
take
he's scared of, but that's he's scared of. Go figure.
Oh, I want
Jaden,
to
look
put in
at
there. Jaden, be careful, bro.
It looks like it's scary, but look.
Children. Saya. Oh, good God. Okay.
Oh my gosh, Mom, Joe.
It's scaring me a lot because of the angle that I'm seeing from. Please.
Yeah, but like there's a bunch of rocks to help me. Jaden's right here. Oh, that's CJ, Mom. It's not that scary.
Oh, I thought it was a sharp drop off.
Yeah, it's not.
No, just there's a bunch of rocks to support me. I'm farting carrots. Farting carrots. Okay. Okay, mommy's camera shy. Whoa. Whoa. Sorry, Jaden.
Oh, boy, I'm gonna
No.
Yes,
Don't scare
look,
me like
just
that.
Look.
You guys are giving me a heart attack. You know that, right? Especially since we have.
Footage of JJ, so I'm gonna get some footage of JJ and me.
Stay right here.
Whoa, it's kind of slippery.
Some may say I'm a video hog.
No, sorry, it's actually very slippery right here.
Okay, just be careful, bro.
I'm just gonna sit right here.
I'm right behind you. You need help getting up?
This is tree. Tree the house.
Hey,
Thank you, tree. I love you too much.
tree. Love that tree. Thanks,
You
tree.
need to get rid of these notifications. That's annoying.
Yeah. Nice picture, Jaden. I gotta get footage of you, Jaden. You're going too fast for the camera.
That might be an easy way to do it.
Jaden, you're too fast. I'm farting, Chris. I'm farting. Jaden. Come on, bro. Let's go.
Oh, wait, really?
I know we really want to go up there, but we can't.
Kind of steep coming down, so.
Oh, yeah, it's really steep, guys. This is steep. Woo! Ooh. Oh. Whoa, what happened there? You okay, Jaden? You need help?
Yeah, no, I don't need help.
You don't need help? Okay. This is steep, but I gotta get more footage of Jaden.
So you said, are you okay?
Okay, so when Jaden said yes, he said yes to being okay, not yes to being I need help. Just clarifying. Jaden! Oh my gosh, bro. Goodness.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Hey, the rocks are crumbling.
Yeah, Jaden.
That's a wall there.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, that's that.
The camera woman always is the one who trips, or the cameraman, because they have a camera in their hands. That place is that right here. It's green. I'm gonna take. I have so much bits and clips, like different ones.
There's like little like ledges they can go up on. I'm pretty sure that fell. Look at that. Look at that. Like,
Yeah, that's cool. That would be a great place to rock climb if it was like slanted up. Oh my gosh. That was okay.
If they're by water, they're
Okay, so we're going across the street to.
go.
Okay, look across the street. This is road.
this is so cool. I like
Yeah, this is really really pretty, guys. Like, if you were in here in real life, we're gonna take a picture. I want to swim across it.
Okay, this reminds me so much of like when.
It's so beautiful.
It looks really safe.
Well, we're not. It's the reason why it's so warm is because we just got done hiking with the sun's blazing on us. It's really not that. Okay, quiet. I'm just gonna take a video of the river, so very quiet, okay?
Okay.
Sweetie, come back, little.
The sound of the river. Okay. That is very beautiful. Oh my gosh. In the Bubba and Bean channel, there is going to be there'll be a lot of hiking. A lot of hiking in the videos because me and my family do a lot of hiking. Oh, there's people. They climbed all the way up there. I'd love to do that someday when I have ropes because safety first, everybody. Okay, I think I'm gonna go down here. I think I'm gonna go down here, but I have to be really safe. So, not very good camera angles. Whoop. It's okay if I drop in the water for a little bit because water's good. Ooh, looks like there's just a snake in there, so I don't really. Oh, that thing's pretty. I'm gonna take a picture. Water touching. Okay. It's not very cold, as my mom said it would be. Whoa. Nearly tripped there. It would be okay if I fell into the water because the water's pretty safe. It's not as like fast as a lot of them. Me and my brother really love the water, so we just jump in. I'm gonna have a birthday vlog, but it'll be on my channel, Wild Animal Plug. Jaden's channel, Kitty Master J82D. Sorry, there's dust on my phone, so I just blew it off. Anyway, on my channel, I'm gonna have a birthday vlog, and I'm gonna go in my favorite lake, and I'm just gonna jump in it because I love it so much. It's freezing cold though, but it's like amazing. There's so much beautiful things. I think I have a cut on my knee. Not really. I mean, just a little cut. Hey, Jaden. Oh, you're putting your feet in it?
Yeah.
Let's go put our feet in it. Okay.
Hold on, wait.
Okay. I'm gonna go over here and put my feet in it because it's over here. Nearly. Ow. my toe.
James, what are you doing?
But whew, nice. Muddy foot now. Oh crap. I only took one shoe off, so it's kind of rusty, but muddy foot. Look at that muddy foot. So dirty. I love dirty feet. Okay, you didn't have to.
Whoa, Mama!
Throw another one in. Throw another one in. I don't know where you're throwing them. Throw another one in. A big one. Sweet. Oh, he like splashed us.
Sorry, did you get a video of him doing that?
Yeah, I got a video. Whoo, that breeze is nice. Jayden playing in the water, playing in the water, play in the water. It's so beautiful though, just how the sun. Ooh, I wish I got that. How the sun comes against the. I'm gonna find a rock. This rock isn't very simple, but. Did I almost hit you in the head? Ooh, this rock is way big. Okay, wait.
2, 1, go!
Oh.
You got me! You getting pictures of that or just video?
Just video.
Hold on, Bubba. Okay.
That is very risky, Mom.
I know, I got it, I'm done.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sweet. Oh, he got it. He got it.
Oh! Here! Do Jared hands. Jared, now what does he do? This. Do it!
My
Right
feet
here.
So Saya is going on. See that rock kind of in the water? She's like kind of bucking. Yeah, that rock right in the water. I went on it, and now she's gonna go on it. It's so cold. The water's so cold. It's so cold. She's on it. Look.
Uncle Jared hands.
Look. Okay.
This is not cold.
Oh, yes it is.
Okay. Come on.
Pigeon.
Okay, Saya's going to throw this rock. 3, 2, 1, go.
I threw it too close so it splashed on me. I'm gonna go back down and throw a rock so it splashes on me.
Okay, yeah.
Ow. Get gradually bigger throwing rocks.
Okay. Oh, I didn't really get it too good.
Okay, so you're watching me, right?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, that's a big rock. Oh! Oh, yeah, I got that one.
There's a bunch of disgusting bugs on it.
Come on, sis. You're not scared about it.
Disgusting bugs! I said I wasn't scared. Did you pause it? Did you get it right?
She's gonna throw this one.
Not as big as that other one.
Okay, she's gonna throw one. She's gonna throw one. I almost fell back onto that.
Okay.
Oh, whoa. That the noise it makes is really weird.
So yeah. Okay, Jayden's gonna try to throw that one right there, but he's probably not gonna get it right there.
It might take a little bit for you to get it out.
He's probably not gonna get it out. Oh, I think he might have gotten it.
On what?
This huge, ginormous rock.
Oh my gosh.
Let me throw this one.
Okay.
Actually,
Do you
I'm gonna
need-
pull it down.
Do you need help carrying it?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you videotape and I throw it? Because I'm just a little stronger than you because I'm older.
I think I can carry it.
You can carry it? Oh, be careful, bro.
I'm just gonna roll it down.
Aw, that was so unsatisfying.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let it go.
Okay, go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh wow.
Crazy baby.
Are you videotaping me?
Yes. Take some pictures.
I'm still going this, you call me.
Take some pictures of her.
Just because I don't know what's I
Hold
could
on.
get hurt. Safety first?
Ah.
Oh, you want me to? Oh, okay. No, what the heck did I grab?
Do like a whole bunch of photos, Jaden. We should do it one more time. Go click, 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 click.
No, I don't want to do it.
Mommy, are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop.
Are you still in? Want me to reenact it for you? Not really. Wasn't like that at all. But now I'm. What the heck was that?
It's your boat.
Now I'm soaking wet.
Okay, can I shut off?
Yeah. Okay, look, it's like really muddy and it's really fun and really like,
Oh yeah, look.
it feels real good.
Hey, wait,
There's
keep your feet still.
Probably horse poo in it, but it doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, I smell poo in it.
No, it's just mud.
Yeah, I smell poo.
Well, the horses might come up and down.
Do I don't really care if I step in horse poop because it's cleaner than human poop, most likely.
Oh,
Oh, Herman. Say my name, say my name.
The sun's going away.
Okay.
Go rinse your foot off, Jane. You have to get some blood on the right side of your face.
Okay, let's go. Wash my feet off.
I saw it.
My shoes this time, and now I'm going to do it with my feet. I'm not the hobbit because I don't get hurt when we're going to circle. What the heck is that? I don't even know what that is, bro. There's like these really gross bugs, but I don't really care as much. But I'm gonna squish my foot. Wait, watch my foot. Satisfying. I'm not afraid to get dirty. Woo.
I don't smell poo, Mom.
I don't smell poop. Ah, that is really nice. Right there. I don't. Smells like moss.
It smells like poo.
No, moss and poo smell a lot alike. Well, you think it because you compare it. But anyway, stop recording.
Yeah, double experience. Once I can do it.
Oh, it's getting really strong right over here.
Say, come on. Say, come on.
Jaden went in, but we didn't get a recording of it. If Jaden wants to go in again.
Oh my gosh, you guys!
Are you recording, Mom?
Yes!
We did it! We did
Woohoo!
it!
You have to send me these pictures.
Okay, now we have to go back. Are you recording, Mom? Okay. Oh, we need a hold it. Okay. If I get into the earth, I do that too, but I can cover those. Oh. Ow! Ow! Oh, you okay, buddy? You Woohoo! I didn't do it with shoes. I wish I did it with my shoes off because that's more earth, down to earth, but my mom won't let me do it again because it's getting dark out and cold outside.
Hiya.
How pretty the trees things up. Ah! Jaden just hit me with this in my face. What are you doing, bro? Oh, you want to get that out? He's so close to getting it out. Let's see him rip it out. Oh, nice. Wonder if Mom will let you keep it. She usually lets us keep them, but who knows? Ow! That hurt. Yeah. Oh, keep on forgetting I'm behind you, bro. That was so fun. But I think I don't know if the lake that is my favorite is about as cold as that right there in the summer. I don't know why, but the sun really doesn't affect that water that in the lake, in my favorite lake that I'm gonna go do for my birthday. I'm gonna have a birthday vlog on my channel and everything. I don't even know if you guys heard me, but anyway.